Today we're going to speak about material versus idea expression. We made an example that shows you the material expression but also the idea expression. Where do we get the mustard from? We get the mustard from the nature. The more we know about nature, the more we can learn from nature. So in this case, what did we learn from nature? There's a big storm going on over here. There's a big wind. So the flow that we just created over here, this is something that we could learn from nature. And how did we do this? Well, we have the oxypetalum. The flowers give us support to the beer grass. So first we just put the flowers and then we're gonna interweave, we're gonna put the beer grass into the flowers and of course into the tubes. And as you can see, it is done in a parallel way, in a graphic parallel way. So that's a beautiful example. It all starts parallel and there is a movement, the movement of the wind. So this was a little bit about nature, what we could learn from nature. But also we were talking about idea expression, about the form concepts. You had triangles, cubes, and so on, but you also had cylinders. So in this case, we just made some cylinders. Technical wise, it's quite easy. So you just take some foam or styrofoam, you just wrap them with a sort of paper that gives you a certain color, certain texture, and you just glue them to each other. In the middle of the foam, we just put a tube, and the tube delivers the water source to the flower. I just want to show you how we integrate the beer grass. So in here, the flowers are perfect to interweave. So we interweave them into the oxypetalum, and we put them into the tube. The movement is already very natural. You see, I don't have to do anything. Just to be sure that you don't put them like this, because that is against, and that is, well, against the form as well, but also this is very the natural way. And if it's not really beautiful done, just massage it a little bit, and you see, be careful that you don't hurt yourself because they can be really like sharp, okay? And then you have that beautiful kind of curve. And this is also something about the natural, according to the idea expression. It really makes sense that you just follow the line of the botanical.